Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token price analysis. Remember, Tectonic token will be celebrating their 1-year anniversary this Friday. Now, this coin have actually done well. Within the past 12 months, Tectonic token have really increased. Now, when you compare Tectonic token earlier when they started this coin, and now you discover, of course, Tectonic token have actually deleted a zero, and Tectonic market cap have also increased, and also Tectonic token have gained a lot of followers, especially on Twitter. Now, in 2023, of course, we're expecting Tectonic token is about to hit a massive increase in price. Now, people believe, of course, that Tectonic token can hit 100,000% pump, and remember, 100,000% pump is about 3 zeros, deleting about 3 zeros. Currently, Tectonic token is trading with 7 zeros, and I believe, yes, there's a possibility that Tectonic token can delete 3 zeros. Now, the project they have at hand right now is going to create more better impact for Tectonic token. The roadmap, of course, I believe if they can really work towards trying to achieve what they plan for this coin, Tectonic token, you will see, is going to be one of the biggest coin very soon. And crypto.com, of course, they're supporting Tectonic token, and VVS Finance have been doing great. Even right now, VVS Finance are actually controlling more of Tectonic token volume than even crypto.com that hosted Tectonic token. You can see a different exchanger is even doing supporting this coin more than the exchanger that actually hosted it. And I believe very soon we'll be seeing different top exchangers coming in to actually partner with Tectonic token. Boss City, we all know they are just a small exchangers, but of course they've listed this coin and they are also contributing towards helping Tectonic token to increase in price. And I believe that 100,000% pump is possible. It's possible for the fact that Tectonic token will soon get more exchanges that will go where we list Tectonic token, and also the burning of Tectonic supply. And I believe, of course, the remaining supply can be burned very soon by the developers. Remember, they have about 110 trillion Tectonic coins in circulation, and about almost 390 trillion coins as supply. And I believe if they can actually burn some part of this, it will definitely help Tectonic token to increase in price. And I believe, of course, 100,000% pump is really going to happen if the developers can work towards the partnership listing, and also Tectonic token will be gaining a lot of support from top crypto exchanges. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.